Hi. In this video, we will quickly tell you about CallRail for Rehab. What is call tracking? With call tracking, you'll know before you even pick up the phone. Better yet, you'll have powerful analytics around which ads, campaigns, or search terms inspire your best leads to reach out, so you can invest more into the marketing that moves your business forward. How to create a marketing campaign for your rehab center. When it comes to marketing, if a clinic or rehab center leans too much toward hard sales tactics, they risk seeming pushy and out of touch with potential patients and their families. On the other hand, if a clinic skimps on marketing and sales altogether, they'll miss opportunities to leverage online visibility to better reach those looking for help and recovery in the first place. Understand the patient's journey and provide helpful, relevant marketing material. Individuals and their loved ones often begin the selection process well before they even contact a clinic, conducting online research for helpful information about addiction recovery, types of therapies, and insight into professional treatment. Trusted by more than 180,000 businesses. Our customers have ranked us #1 on G2 for 15 straight quarters thanks to our ease of use and our focus on accurate, secure data. The CallRail platform builds on call tracking to provide an entire suite of integrated tools that makes marketing your business and turning leads into loyal customers a cinch. You will have call tracking, form tracking, conversation intelligence, lead center, report on all touchpoints without platform bias. CallRail objectively tracks the impact of each touchpoint in the customer journey, including ads, organic searches, direct mail, and much more. You can then package that data into easy-to-interpret reports that prove the value of your work to your clients. Every person who contacts you has their own timeline. These timelines show the contents of the form they filled out, as well as the originating campaign, PPC keyword, and landing page. With this unified view, you gain a clear understanding of the actions and behaviors of the customers who contact you. Join the most successful businesses on the planet. CallRail is a service that tracks and manages your phone leads, helping businesses to determine which marketing campaigns are driving quality leads. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about CallRail and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.